More than 2,000 years ago, a very smart baby was born. His name was Eratosthenes. His parents were Greek and they lived in Cyrene, a Greek city on the coast of Africa in the country that is now called Libya. Even as a baby, Eratosthenes was curious and full of wonder. He would crawl across the kitchen floor to follow the path of ants. He wondered why there were beads of water on the cistern in the morning, and in the evening when he looked out the window of his bedroom, he wondered why the stars stayed in the sky. When he could speak, he began asking hundreds and even thousands of questions. How far away is the sun? What is it made of? Where do the winds come from? What makes the stars move? Many of these questions his parents couldn't answer. When he was 6 years old, he went to school. It was called the gymnasium. Although the original meaning of the word was exercise ground, a gymnasium was also a school. Every morning, Eratosthenes, like other Greek boys, would be taken there by a family slave. At the gymnasium, there were no desks, no paper, and no pencils. And there were no girls. The girls stayed home and learned to cook and weave. Not many learned to read or write. Students sat on the floor, and instead of pens, they had styluses, sticks with one sharp end that were used for writing on tablets made of wax. Eratosthenes loved the gymnasium. It was a chance to ask more questions. In between asking questions, he and the other students learned reading, writing, arithmetic, music, and poetry. They even learned how to play the lyre and recite poetry at the same time. Eratosthenes was good at all these subjects, and he was a real whiz in math, but his absolute favorite subject was geography. He bombarded his teachers with questions. How much of the earth is land? How high is the highest mountain? Is there a map of the earth?